Hi, I'm Kristen Amdahl and welcome back to my studio. Be So Baby yarn is number 3 DK weight, 100% milk fiber, and comes in 142 yards per 50-gram ball. Choose from 60 gorgeous colors of this super soft and lustrous yarn. In this video, I'm going to give you a detailed description of all 60 colors to help you make the right choice for all of your magnificent colorwork projects to knit and crochet. Coral is a pink-orange that I would say is more pink than orange. Salmon is much more muted than coral. Peach is bright and more orange than pink. Tutu is a very pastel muted peach. Notice that Tutu is very pale peach and blush pink is a very pale pink. Princess is a classic bright baby pink. Bubblegum is a very bright happy pink. Diva is a bright raspberry pink. Notice that watermelon and tropical punch are both very bright reds, but watermelon is more pink and tropical punch is more orange. Cherry is a deeper crimson red and burgundy is a much darker wine red. Tangerine is a soft, warm orange and not too bright. Marigold is a warm orange yellow. Sunshine yellow is just as the name describes, bright and cheerful classic yellow. Buttercup is a softer and more muted yellow. Dijon is a mustardy green yellow. Chartreuse is a darker shade of green yellow that has more green than yellow. Lime green and spring green are both bright, vibrant greens, lime being a darker shade and spring being a lighter tint. Grass green moves closer to green from yellow and is a darker shade than lime. Olive is a dark shade of yellow-green, much darker than chartreuse. Dark sage is a dark green with gray tones, and forest green is the darkest shade of green in the color palette. Peacock teal is the darkest teal shade in the blue-green color family. Splash is a lighter tint of teal than peacock teal. Aquamarine, robin egg blue, and turquoise are similar, but hopefully side by side you can see the differences too. Aquamarine is a darker shade of blue-green that is more blue than green. Robin egg blue is a lighter tint of a blue-green that is more blue than green, and turquoise is a blue-green that is more green than blue. Mint is a lovely pastel tint of green. Jade green is a bright blue-green that is more green than blue. Emerald green and clover are both primary green, but emerald is a brighter and lighter tint and clover is a deeper shade. Eggplant is the deepest shade of purple in the blue-purple color family. Sugar plum is a bright and vibrant deep shade of purple. Violet is a slightly softer tint than sugar plum. Orchid is a medium shade of red violet. Lilac is a bright pastel purple. Periwinkle is a medium shade of blue violet. Prince is a blue violet that is much more blue than violet. Mykonos Blue is a very bright tint of primary blue, and Cobalt is a very bright and darker shade of primary blue. Indigo is a dark shade of blue violet that is more blue than violet. Navy is a classic dark shade of primary blue. Black is a solid jet black. Charcoal is the darkest shade of gray in the color palette. Platinum is a lighter shade than charcoal, and silver lavender is the lightest shade of gray and has a subtle tint of lavender to it as well. Snowflake is pure white. Ecru is a light natural color that is darker than off-white but lighter than a tan. Sandcastle and stone are quite similar, except I would say that sandcastle is a cooler tan and stone is a warmer tan. Gold is the warmest of the tan neutrals in the color palette. Chocolate is a medium warm tone brown. I get asked a lot of questions about what solid colors of Be So Baby yarn correlate with the variegated colors. Here are my suggestions. Birthday cake matches well with Aquamarine, Princess, and Buttercup. Seaside Siesta matches well with Snowflake, Periwinkle, and Aquamarine. Mardi Gras matches well with Snowflake, Marigold, Periwinkle, and Orchid. Under the Sea matches well with Mykonos Blue, Indigo, and Spring Green, but looks nice with many of the blue-green family too. Salt and Pepper matches well with Snowflake and any of the grays, charcoal, platinum, or silver lavender, because the gray section moves from darker to lighter shades in between the white sections. It also looks great with the warm neutrals for contrast. Sweet Dreams matches well with Snowflake, Periwinkle, and Salmon. With 60 colors to choose from of Be So Baby yarn, I know it may seem overwhelming to choose color for your knit and crochet projects. You can also order a color card if you would like physical samples of each color shipped to you. And if you'd like even more inspiration, here are some samples of my knitting and crochet patterns featuring Be So Baby yarn that you can download as instant PDF downloads on my website for only $1.99 each. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, please feel welcome to leave them for me in the comments. And if you check out the video description, I've provided links for everything we talked about in this video. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.